Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am pumped because we are swatching Milk makeup lipsticks. I have tried some of Milk's products and I was not a fan. Nothing against the brand at all. I've seen really good reviews, but like the blurring stick didn't work out for me and the cream blush was just too harsh. So I was like, let's try lipsticks because I love lipsticks. I love lip swatch videos. I am so sorry if you're tired of them. I like to do them. They're some of my more popular videos. So let me know what you think of lip swatch videos and what other videos you would like to see to keep it fun. Ooh, almost knocked over some makeup remover. Would have been bad. Tragic. I am really hopeful. They went on sale on Sephora's website, so we are gonna swatch on the arm and on the lips. So these little tubes are cute. This is the shade Wavy. Okay. Oh, pops off. I don't know what I was trying to do, and boop. So it's a kind of a unique applicator. Ooh, that shade's pretty. Is it pretty on the arm? Oh! Oh man, you know me and my mauvey shades. So pretty. It felt really creamy on the arm. Okay, and then you twist like that. My lips are chapped. Oh, my dryer's going off right now. That was really pretty. I like this shade a lot. These aren't as hydrating as other satin lipsticks, but the formula is quite nice. So I'm going to take a guess that these are supposed to be a little bit more matte, maybe? Let's try. We have a little bit of transfer. It's not aggravating the chapped lips, so we're good. I keep rubbing my lips to see if it's drying at all, but I don't really sense any, so that's a good sign. I'm just touching up because the lipstick, when I was removing it, just got a little crazy. The next shade is Loki. I love that word phrase. I don't know, it's too separate, so I said phrase. I also really like the applicator because it's very precise and it makes it really easy to apply lipstick with. Let me make sure I'm, double chin. Let me make sure I'm in focus. Ooh, that could be a pretty shade. Wait, this one feels super drying. Oh yeah. And this one's like emphasizing on some of like the chapped parts. My lips feel like a little stiff and the shade did not turn out how I wanted it to turn out. I feel like it came out a little bit brighter on my lips than it did in the swatch. So I wonder if there's different ingredients in each shade just because I am noticing that this one is a little bit drier. Not just on like the aftermath of applying it on my lips, but when I was applying as well. Like it was just dry overall. The next shade is OG Red, which I'm really excited about because I love a good red lipstick. Ooh, yes. We're focusing. Ooh. I hope this one works out really well because that is a damn good red. And the red felt super creamy compared to the other two. So let's see. Oh yeah, feels creamy too. I think I have a new favorite right now. This one is definitely the creamiest so far, and I am really living for this shade. I realize when I rub my lips together, like my Cupid's bow just goes away, so it's just, you know, symmetrical circle. That's cool. I will go with it. The next shade we have is Extra. I love that word. So extra. That's me. Ooh, yeah. I hope this shade works out. Ooh, I love that plum color. It felt creamy like the OG red lipstick, so let's hope, and let's hope it looks good. Darker shades kind of worry me because they can be patchy, but when it's like a solid lipstick, I don't have that much of a concern compared to a liquid lipstick. So much for a Cupid's bow. Whatever. Oh, So I have like a little, it's not a blemish, it's more like of a scab, and it won't go over the scab. That's the place where my lip has been constantly bleeding from. You're probably like, why are you doing a swatch video if your lips are this bad? And I'm just trying to be dedicated. It's not affecting like the quality of the lipstick. Even when I rub them together, it's not working. So this one was creamy, just like the red shade. I really like this color a lot. It's just bothering me that it won't go over the little area of concern I have right now. So that's just something that I found interesting compared to the other shades. I'm punishing my lips because they're punishing me, so maybe they'll cooperate. The next shade we have is Name Drop. Okay, it's more of an orange red. Ooh, I like how it's swatched. Will this be the first orangey red shade that Amanda approves? Tune in next time on Dragon Ball Z. Cue 20 videos later to find out your answer. I'm kidding. Oh, overdid the Cupid's bow right there. Fantastic. Okay, when I was applying this, I was like, it doesn't look that bad. It is bright, man. I don't know. I was able to expand on some nudes and pinks, but orange, I am still in search of. Every lip swatch video, I am trying to find an orange and it's just no. Let me know if I'm overreacting and some of these orange shades are good. Don't be a troll. I'm trying so hard to find a good orange and it's just not working out for me. The next shade we have is Girl. I am living for these shade names. This one is pretty. Okay, they're all pretty. And I forgot to say, Name Drop was very creamy, like the purple and red shades. All right, Girl's turn. Ooh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. And that felt creamy too. Okay, it's just this one that was kind of like, what? I am noticing I have like a little bit of lipstick in my chapped nooks and crannies of my lips. I'm sorry, that is gross. Ooh, yes, bitch. Love this shade right here. Okay, so I am really enjoying Milk Makeup's lipstick. Even though like I haven't had a really good experience with Milk Makeup in the past, I'm still trying some other products to find something that I like by them, and this is it. So I just like to be open-minded about everything. I give everything a shot and I give my feelings and my thoughts on them, and I love trying any product, any brand. That's how I roll. Next we have Wavy. So it's like a brown red. Ooh, I like that. Felt creamy. So did my last shade. They're all feeling creamy. It's just that one that was really dry. I don't know why I'm struggling so bad with my damn Cupid's bow. Every time I wear brown lipstick, all I can think of is the time I put some on my friend Katie and I died laughing because I was like, it looks like you just ate shit. That's how I feel right now. Like I just ate a big pile of diarrhea. Next we have New Whip. What's the old whip? Oh, this is pretty. Ooh, yes. I love my Merlot shades so much. At first I was like, is this patchy? And then there's just like a shine to it, I think. Yeah, it's just a little shine. Okay, it could just be like the lighting in here. And now we have Dip Out. We have another pretty shade. I don't know why my swatches are like all leaning. Happens. I like that one. Still creamy. We're still on the creamy. I just wanna let you all know we're still creamy. It's just low-key. It even looks dry. These two look dry on the swatch too. This one worked out. This one, not so much. I do like the shade range of these lipsticks. Ooh, that's like the best Cupid bow we've done this whole video. Yes. I feel like this one's a little patchy on my bottom lip. I like zoomed in to see if it was like that shine effect. Bottom is just really messed up. It went over my area of concern, so I'm not sure what is happening right now. And then the last shade, oh, I'm kind of nervous. This is Cream. Ah, piss. Mine is broken. All right, we are not swatching that last one. It wasn't meant to be. Half the shades worked out really well for me, and then half of them, Extra, Wavy, Loki, Name Drop, and Cream did not work out for me. I am a little sad Extra didn't work out for me. I just didn't like how it applied on my bottom lip. Just some of the colors like Name Drop and Wavy just didn't look well on me, and then Loki was the driest. I'm not sure why it was the driest. The first shade I used as well was kind of dry, but it didn't really feel drying on the lips. I felt like pretty matte, like typical matte would. Those are just my thoughts. Let me know if you tried out Milk makeup lipsticks and what your experience was. But I think I found a product by Milk that I really do enjoy, and I have a nice shade range of which ones worked out for me too, so I'm really excited about that. This concludes today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up if you like Milk makeup, lip swatch videos. Leave me a comment below what your favorite lipstick shade was, what's your favorite Milk makeup product. Please make sure you subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in the next video.